Hey, Mr. Albert here, and we are evaluating function values. Here's some practice problems. The first one, A, is f of 7 equals 3x squared minus 4. So our job is to take that 7 and put it in as a placeholder for everywhere we see an x. So we'll have 3 times 7 squared minus 4. So what does that look like? That looks like 3 times 49 minus 4. That's 147 minus 4. So 143. So this function f, we put 7 as the input. We got back 143 for the output. B, g of 2 equals 7 times the square root of 11 minus x. Then after that, plus 3x. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to plug that 2 in everywhere we have a x. So let's see here. 7 times the square root of 11 minus 2 plus 3 times 2. So carrying that out, we'll have 7 times the square root of 9 plus 6. That'll be 7 times 3 plus 6. 21 plus 6 looks like 27. Okay. So in that function g, we put 2 in, we got 27 back. The last one down here, h of negative 4, and that function is 9x over x minus 8. So we're going to plug that negative 4 in, so we will have 9 times negative 4 over negative 4 minus 8. So as we clean that up, we will have negative 36 over negative 12, or 3. So in h, when we put in negative 4, we get 3 back.